2026 is shaping up to be an action-packed year for sports fans worldwide. From the Winter Olympics in February to the World Baseball Classic in March, and the massive World Cup in the summer, there's no shortage of global excitement. Nike is jumping on this energy with a fresh Air Max Plus that's perfect for Team USA supporters. The sneaker features a pure platinum mesh upper with clean white mudguard and midsole for a sleek look. Bold University Red hits the TPU overlays and Air units, while Midnight Navy highlights the Swooshes and tongue logo. The midfoot plate combines both colors, and the classic yellow TN accents complete the design. This combination makes it a standout for fans who want to show their national pride while staying stylish. The Nike Air Max Plus USA is set to drop in spring 2026 at $190 in men's sizes. It's a must-have for collectors and sneakerheads who want to celebrate a historic year in sports.